Hello everyone! Welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create smooth speed reverse effect in Premiere Pro. Let's dive into it. First of all, drag the footage into the project timeline or sequence. Then analyze the footage. Decide which part you want to use for the reverse effect. Then trim the footage according to your need. Now, go to At the ending of the footage, you'll find a small FX button. Right-click on it, select Time Remapping, and then select Speed. You'll see a speed ramp bar in the footage. Then find a reverse point in the footage, where exactly reverse effect will happen. At that point, hold on Control key from your keyboard, and click there. You just set a reverse or speed point here. The speed ramp bar got split. Then using mouse, drag down the right portion of the speed ramp bar like this. Then, go to the speed point bar, holding the mouse, drag the speed bar to right, like this. It will slow down your footage speed in that portion. Now you have to set from which part of your footage going to be slowed down. It depends on your footage and the subject. Here I'm going to reverse the point where the man in the footage touched the ground by his feet, and then reverse it. Then right-click on the footage, select Time Interpolation, and select Optical Flow. Then, duplicate the footage by holding Alt from your keyboard. Fill up the gap between them. Then, right-click on the right footage. Select Speed/Duration. From the new window, give a check mark on Reverse Speed. And then press OK. Then, pre-render the footage. It will smooth the playback of your footage. Now check the whole video from the beginning to see if it's worked or not. That's it. That's how you create smooth speed reverse effect in Premiere Pro. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.